Today we're going to play a puppet versus real object game. Hello, Elsa, you're here today. Yes, hello. And we've also got
Sprinkles the bear.
Great. Okay, Sprinkles the bear. Do you want to have a look under your surprise? Do you want to keep it?
Keep it.
Okay, Sprinkles the bear. Let's have a look what's under yours. Oh wow, it's an ice cream. That's really great, Sprinkles. Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Okay, let's eat some.
That was really yummy.
Okay, Elsa, now it's your turn. Let's open up yours. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to open it up. Let's have a look what's under there. Oh, it's not an ice cream, but it's a puppet. I like puppets. Great. Let's pop one. This is fun.
A few moments later.
Elsa, do you want to keep your surprise? I want to switch it. Okay, let's switch it. I can't wait to look inside. Okay, let's have a look. It's Teddy. I love teddies. Oh, it's so cute. I want to give it a big hug. Oh. I want to take it with me now. It's so cute. I'll put it over here. It can stay here while we play this game. It can watch us. Yeah, now you can open yours. Ah, it's a rainbow. Nice. Yeah, you can pop it. Yeah, you can do it. That's so much fun. Yeah, I like popping puppets too.
We can share.
Yeah, we can share it. Great.
2 hours later.
Now it's your turn, Sparkles the bear. Do you want to keep it or switch yours?
Let's sit.
Okay, you can switch it. Good. Now you can have a peek underneath. What's under it? Ah, it's an orange puppet. Do you want to pop it? That's so much fun, popping puppets. Okay, Elsa, let's have a look underneath your one. Ooh, what could be under there? Let's have a look. Oh, wow, it's a pretty flower. I love pink flowers. Great. I'm going to wrap it around here and put it on my hair. That looks so pretty, doesn't it? Okay, Elsa, now it's your turn. Do you want to keep yours or switch it? I want to switch it. Okay, let's switch them. Oh, what could be in there? Let's have a look. It's a little ball. It matches the flower on my hair. It's a pretty pink ball. I like it. I can take it home and play with it. That's so much fun. Teddy, do you want to have it for now? Yes, I like it. I'll play with it while you play the game. Great. Okay, Sparkles the bear, do you want to lift yours up and have a look what's under there? Ah, wow, it's a colorful, beautiful puppet ball. Nice. Do you want to pop it? Yeah. That's so much fun. Okay, Sparkles the bear, now it's your turn. Do you want to keep yours or switch it?
Switch it.
Okay, let's switch it around. Okay. Okay, Elsa, do you want to have a look under yours? Yes, I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Oh, how great! It's a blue poppet. I love poppets. Let's pop them. Yippee! Pop, pop. Yippee!
2,000 years later.
I love my rainbow Care Bear so much. I'm gonna take her home. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.